Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the most important part, that is for the NEET PG counseling as well as for the NEET MDS counseling. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now back to the topic. As in the continuation of the Karnataka State Counseling and its info, today we are going to talk about the classification of the seats which are available in the Karnataka for the counseling, that too for the NEET PG counseling or the NEET MDS counseling. So no matter in which year you watch this video, it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end, because that contains the most important part which you are looking for. And don't forget to hit the like button to this video. Now let's see the classification of the seats for the Karnataka State Counseling, that is for the PG courses or the MDS courses. Basically there are four types of seats, or the four criteria we can say, or four types of seat. One is G, which is denoted as government seats. Second is P, which is denoted as private seats. Third is the NRI seats, which is denoted as N. And fourth is the other seats, which is denoted as Q. Now what does government seats consist of? Basically the merits include the seats in government colleges and government share of seats in private colleges. Right, there is also one question like, ma'am, what is government seats in a private college or something? So I'll cover it in a separately. Right now you will understand the classification first, right? Later on I'll tell you about the meaning and everything. So yeah, it includes first 50% of the seats in the government colleges, remaining 50% through the All India Quota Counseling by MCC counseling, यानी कि 50% तो स्टेट काउंसलिंग से होगी एंड 50% थ्रू ऑल इंडिया कोटा काउंसलिंग पे जाएगी, वो भी गवर्नमेंट सीट्स कर्नाटका की काउंसलिंग में. फॉलोड बाय सेकेंड थिंग इज 33% ऑफ द सीट्स इन प्राइवेट नॉन माइनॉरिटी कॉलेजेस. 33% सीट्स का क्राइटेरिया रहेगा. डेफिनेटली देयर इज वन वीडियो आउट ऑन माय चैनल regarding the category reservation in the NEET MDS counseling. So that category reservation plays a very important role in the Karnataka State Counseling. So if you haven't checked out this video, then I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Now back to the topic. The third criteria in the government seats is the 20% of the seats in private minority, that is the religious and linguistic colleges. 40% seats are there in private university colleges. So these are the criteria. Followed by second type of seats are the private seats in Karnataka State Counseling. It means the seat in private colleges, that is the KPCF, AMP, CK and KRLMP, CA. KPCF colleges, 42% सीट्स आर रिजर्व्ड एज प्राइवेट कोटा सीट्स, जिसमें दो टाइप की सीट्स होती है. वन इज द गवर्नमेंट बेस्ड सीट्स, जिसे जीएमपी सीट्स कहा जाता है, एंड सेकेंड इज द ओपीएन सीट्स. सो इफ यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दीज एब्रीविएशन, दैट इज द जीएमपी सीट्स और द ओपन OPN seats, that is open seats. There is also one video out, I think a day back or a two, that is regarding the abbreviations which are used in the Karnataka State Counseling, because one of you have asked me on the WhatsApp group. Yes, you are right. There is the WhatsApp group for the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, and that is the new feature this year to my channel. That personally there is the WhatsApp group going on with the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, because that will help you to notify the upcoming latest details more faster than the YouTube channel and more faster than my Instagram. But for that you need to follow me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture. Followed by that you can ask for the link and don't forget to register yourself. Now Even if you don't have Instagram, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, because definitely me or my team has an eye on the emails also nowadays, so as to help you as much possible. To back to the topic, we see the GMP seats and OPN seats, the two type of seats in private seats. So what are GPN seats? For 50% of the above 42% seats are referred. For 50% of the above, that is the 42% प्राइवेट सीट्स में से भी जो 50% सीट्स है वो JMP सीट्स कहलाती हैं. JMP with Hyderabad Karnataka seats in case of the colleges located in Hyderabad Karnataka region. Followed by the second type of the private seat in Karnataka State Counselling is the OPN seats. Remaining 50% of the above of the 42% seats are open quota seats, right? These seats are filled by all India merit, that is for the NEET PG or for the NEET MDS, only those candidates who are eligible for the counselling. See, there will be the revised cutoff after the second round of counselling, and afterward you can go for the open seats, right? Because if you are eligible and you have the marks, then you can apply for open seats, because only those options are left at that time. Almost everything and every seats are filled at every corner of India. So followed by the second other colleges are in KR, LM, PCA and AM PCA colleges. 55% of the seats reserved as private quota seats. Followed by the next criteria is 66% of the above seats will be filled by respectively religious and linguistic minority candidates. What are the minority candidates? Like MK, MA, ME, MU, MC, MM seats. Now if you haven't understood the abbreviations, please do check this video regarding the abbreviations which are used in the Karnataka State Counselling. I put the link of that video in the I button as well as in the description of this video, so don't forget to check out that. JMP seats, that means 50% of the above 34% are JMP seats, and open में 50% of the above of the 34% seats are reserved for all India candidate who are the citizens of India can apply for the open seats. So these are the clear-cut criteria, right? If you still have any query, you can ask for it or check out the information bulletin which is available on the official website of the Kerala. In case of private university, 40% of the seats are reserved as the private seats, private quota seats. There is one notice that the ST John Medical College eligibility and other details are also amended to the information bulletin under the heading of the ST Johnson Medical College. So if you read the information bulletin on the official website of the Karnataka State Counselling, please do check out about that college if you really want to under this heading. Now back to the topic. The third type of the seats which are available in the Karnataka State Counselling is the NRI seats. Means the 15% यानी कि 15% 15% of the total seat reserved for NRI quota in KPCF, KRLM, PCA and AMPCK colleges and private universities. The 10% of the total seats are reserved for others in KPCF and KRLM, PCA and AMPCK colleges and 5% in private universities. The whole classification of the seats which are present in the Karnataka State Counselling important for the NEET PG as well as the NEET MDS Counselling. Hope you like this video, then hit the like button. Thank you for watching.